Everybody, welcome back to the channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. You guys, I just got a little bit of mail that arrived. I wanted to share it with you. It's kind of an absolute hodgepodge of stuff, but some fun things. First of all, I got me my little PINCHME. I'm excited. So if you ever want to try to get some little samples and things for free, PINCHME is a great place to start. You sign up, get your account going, watch your emails. They tell you when to jump on and apply for little odds and ends goodies. So let's see what they sent. Sometimes it can take a while to receive things, and sometimes they come a little faster. All right. So again, that's what it looks like. This is, oh, I like this. This is a Vino's Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. Obviously a very little sample or travel size, 2 ounces. It says lightly scented. This looks nice. I can get that used up. I did just get some body wash in one of my most recent boxes. Actually, it was my last box from Single Swag. Got a wine voucher that I will not use. If anybody wants that, go ahead, grab it. Screenshot. Oh my gosh, my hands are just not steady. Y'all, I've been outside working. Excuse my appearance. Oh, and then we got Melatonin-free sleep relief. Fall asleep, stay asleep, calms restless sleep. It's called Sleep Calm Melt-Away Tablets. Homeopathic medicine, plant-based actives, no daytime grogginess. Okay. Every now and then, I definitely have a night of insomnia, so I might try those. See what it says. Hyoscyamus Niger 3C-HPUS. Then there's Nux moschata 4C-HPUS. And then Passiflora incarnata 3X-HPUS. Stramonium 6X HPUS. And it says the letters HPUS indicate that the components in this product are officially monographed in the Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of the United States. Never heard of any of that. So it says there's 20 melt-away tablets. It says adults and children 12 and age of older would take 2 tablets to dissolve under the tongue at bedtime. Okay. Oh, and then we got one more little freebie, something or another here. Oh, it's HelloFresh. So if you'd like to try HelloFresh and get 17 meals for free, there is a code here. I will not be using that. Sorry, just give it a screenshot. Jiggling my hand all over. All right, so that came from PINCHME. I think I like this the best. I like this. Actually, I've used a Vino before. I like the products. Okay, and then this came my name, but really for hubby. And this also, I think, came from either PINCHME or Sampler. Apparently, we are now getting Men's Health Magazine. Okay. So, it's coming to my name because it's through the free sample stuff, but obviously I'm not going to use it. So, hubby gets that. And then, y'all, I'm super excited. I got me an Influenster voxbox. I was really excited because it's Tom Ford. But, y'all, I am like 99.9% positive this is a men's fragrance for the hubster. I'm so mad. I want a full size, like, wow, I love fragrance. All right, this is how it looks. Wow. Okay, so empty. This is fancy. So if you can't see, it says Tom Ford on here on the paper. The little TF logo or motif on the sticker that keeps it closed. All right, here it is. So it's oud wood. It's a men's It's definitely men's. I knew it. It says, with oud wood, Tom Ford pioneered the use of rare oud notes in modern perfumery, overwhelming the senses with dark, earthy carnality. Exotic rose wood and cardamom give way to a smoky blend of precise oud notes. Oud, and it's O-U-D, oud notes. And I'm sure I'm saying there, it's probably weed or something. It's probably a French word that I don't speak French. I'm sorry. Sandalwood and vetiver, tonka bean and amber add warmth and sensuality. Key fragrance notes are the oud wood, sandalwood, and Chinese pepper. Wow. How does he get one? I wanted fragrance. This looks really nice. I'm not going to open it yet. But yeah, it's a full-size bottle. It's an eau de parfum, 100 milliliters or 3.4 ounces. Tom Ford is very, very, very nice usually. I did get a Tom Ford. I do have one sitting there. I've got the Soleil Blanc for me, which I really enjoy. So yeah, I log in, I sign up for all the free stuff, and he's getting it. So I will have to share that with him and see what he thinks. So thanks, guys. Influencer is another way to get free stuff. You have to be willing to do reviews on various social media platforms. You have to be willing a lot of times to do written review on Influencer's website, usually on the brand's website, and then it could be like Sephora. It could be a brand website. Like, for instance, let's pretend this came from Influencer, which it did not, but they might say, you know, review it on Walmart, Target, Influencer, Macy's. I mean, who knows? I may have to do this on Macy's and stuff too. But so you always get what's called a campaign, and then you have to go in and fill out all the little tasks. So oftentimes, Instagram, Influencer, sometimes they've been asking for a TikTok video. So just depends. And they tell you all this generally before you agree to get the product. So if you want to try some freebies, definitely try PINCHME. Is quite a bit easier, but you're always getting like little sample sizes. And then with Influencer, you can get sometimes full size, sometimes sample size. It really varies. So, all right, you guys, let me know what you think. I think Hubster scored way better than I did today. Lucky guy. So, hope you guys are doing well. Have a great weekend. I'll see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.